GoPro is expanding its subscription-based cloud service of $4.99 per month to include unlimited video storage with the source's original quality, the company announced. The videos must be recorded in a GoPro. Previously, the GoPro Plus service allowed users to store unlimited photos and up to 35 hours of video, approximately 250 gigabytes. The files would also be transcoded and stored at a lower bit rate. There is no transcoding in progress, like none, and there is no degradation of the image quality. Your GoPro photos and videos will upload to your Cloud Plus account at its original bit rate without any transformation. Unlimited storage also applies to files recorded in older GoPros, not just the new Hero 7 line. The company now also offers Plus subscribers a 50% discount on most mounts and accessories, compared to 20%. Both of these incentives will be available worldwide. GoPro Plus was launched in 2016 as a way to give users access to their images and photos wherever they are. The company made it possible to automatically upload files to Plus from their cameras, as well as from the GoPro application, which is available on desktop and mobile computers. Since its launch, GoPro has added other incentives to Plus as a replacement program for damaged cameras, transforming the service into something that looks like a mix of iCloud and Apple Care.